Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to add this invisible watermark to your videos. So I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this watermark here? Can you see it? This is what I'll be teaching you in this video. So because I don't want this video to be long, let us just go straight to it. So first of all, I will head over to my browser. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using Google browser. You can use any browser of your choice. So here on my Google, I'll go ahead and click on Canva. So I won't be downloading Canva. I am using it directly from their website. You understand? So this is Canva. On this Canva, I'll go ahead and click on this search template. Do you understand? I have clicked on it, so I'll go ahead and type YouTube thumbnail. Once you type YouTube, all these stuff will pop up. So I'll go ahead and click on YouTube thumbnail. I have gone ahead to click on YouTube thumbnail, and automatically it is searching. So these are YouTube thumbnails that it has suggested for me. You understand? So I've gone ahead to click on one of the thumbnails. You can click on anyone at all. So this is it. This is what it looks like. All I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and remove this text. So I am removing this text just by clicking on it. Once I click on it, like this dispose basket comes up, then I'll click on the dispose basket. So at this point, I have my plain interface. Here. So all I will do is for me to go ahead and click on this text. I've gone ahead to click on text, and it has brought me to this interface. I'll go ahead and click on add a heading. I've gone ahead to click on add a heading. So here I'll go ahead and write whatever thing I want. You understand? So let me use the name of my channel, which is Grow with Mimi. So I have gone ahead to use the name of my channel. You can use anything, you understand, like anything at all. When I say anything, trust me, anything. It can be the name of your channel, it can be whatever thing you want to add as a watermark to your video. You understand? So at this point, I have written my name. All I will do is for me to go ahead and click on this font. Do you understand? But before you click on font, ensure that the name you wrote here is highlighted. So I've clicked on font. I'll go ahead and click on this small arrow here next to font. So I've gone ahead to click on the small arrow. It has brought out many font sizes for me. All I will do is for me to go ahead and click on any one of my choice. So let me just use this one. So I've clicked on it. If you've noticed, this text, the nature of this text has changed. You understand? So all I will do at this point is for me to increase the size of this text, because I want it to be very bold. You understand? So here I'll go ahead and click on font size. I've gone ahead to click on font size. I have increased it. Did you notice that? I've increased it. Now I've increased it. All I will do now is for me to choose a place where I want it to be positioned. If I want it in the middle of my video, if I want it, like, you understand, so I'll just leave it here. So at this point, I'll change the text. I'll change the color of the text. So permit me to change it to white. I've changed it to white. So because I've changed it to white and the background already is white, I'll have to change the background so that my text can be visible. So I've clicked on the background. I have clicked on color. I'll go ahead and click on this arrow here. I've gone ahead to click on the arrow. So at this point, I'll go ahead and choose any color of my choice. So personally, I'll be choosing green. So I have chosen green, and if you look at it like right now, it is now visible. You understand? So Grow with Mimi. So all I will do at this point is for me to look up here. I've looked up. I've gone ahead to click on that icon. So here I'll go ahead and click on download. I have clicked on download, and I am downloading it in PNG. I am downloading it in PNG. I've gone ahead to click on download again. So one good thing about this app is that this application, I mean to say, whatever this site is, that it will download directly to your gallery. So this is it. It is telling me to open. So guys, I don't want this video to be long. Let's go straight to it. I'll go ahead and click on CapCut. I have gone ahead to click on CapCut, and this is it. So for the sake of this tutorial, permits me to use an old video of mine. So I've gone ahead to click on this particular one here. I have clicked on it. This is the video. So all I will do at this point is for me to look below here, just to check below here. So checking below here, I can see overlay. So at this point, I've gone ahead to click on overlay. As I clicked on overlay, it says add overlay. I've gone ahead to click on add overlay. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on pictures, photos. You understand? I've gone ahead to click on photos. So this is the stuff. This is it here. I've gone ahead to click on this one. I've gone ahead to click on add. So I have done that. This is our text. So what I will do next is this. I want you to pay close attention, because this is where everything is gonna happen. All I will do at this point is for me to scroll like this. You understand? So I'll scroll like this, scroll like this, scroll again. So here where we have remove BG, that's remove background. I've gone ahead to click on remove background. So now that I have clicked on removed background, all I will do next is for me to click on chroma key. So at this point, I've gone ahead to click on chroma key. Now this is what we are going to use for this. So you need to be very, very attentive. So at this point, I'll go ahead and hold this one, this circle. You understand? So I'll be using this circle to control it the way I want it. You understand? So now I've used my finger. See, you understand? So at this point, I don't like the way it is, because I can still see some green aspects of it. So I'll control it again, like this particular one. I don't also like the way it is. So I think I'm beginning to like the way it is like this. I need it pure white. So you need to be very careful. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. So you control it like this. Okay, I think I like it this way. So after doing that, you go ahead and click on this good sign. I have gone ahead to click on the good sign. All I will do next is this. Now if you check here, you see that these things are 3, telling you to go back 3 times. So I will only click on it once. So as I clicked on it once, what is left here is 2. So yours must be 2. You understand? So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead. I'll just go ahead and scroll like this again. I've gone ahead to scroll again. So as I've gone ahead to scroll again, this is what I will click on. Opacity, this particular one here. I have gone ahead to click on it. So all I will do is for me to use it carefully. So this is how it is. This is the full version of it. So I'll go ahead and scroll like this to the left. If you notice, it is reducing. If you've noticed, it is reducing. Now we don't have anything left at all. So at this point, I think I'm okay like this. Like it's visible like this. You understand? So I think if you want, this is 27, this is 28. If you want it more visible, this is 36. You can do yours like this. You understand? So this is it, guys. this is it. This is how to do it. You may decide to take it to any part. You may decide to. Why mine is showing like this is because of this background, because of the background. So that's why I'm placing it on this black cloth. So this is it, guys. So you may decide to, okay, I've reduced it. You may decide to reduce it like this, however you want it. So this is just it. This is how to add invisible watermark to your videos. So I believe this video was useful. If it was, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.